Hi, this is Cara Morgan from Planet Efficiency Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple contact form using Google Forms. So if you're an establishment that has recently reopened or you're thinking about reopening, but you don't want to use the old pen and paper or pen and clipboard method because some people might be concerned about the germs and the amount of people that use it throughout the day, this is a good method for you that will allow you to gather that same information online. Your clients can use it at their leisure in their homes, and the information will come directly to you, and it will be simple and easy for you to use on other platforms. So I'm just going to use a pre-populated form that's got most of the information. So it's a pretty basic form that they've got here. They're asking for your email, name, your address, your phone number, and then comments. So this is great, but if you want to use this for a database or CRM or in a spreadsheet, you're going to need a little bit more information because spreadsheets like details so that they can categorize and measure everything. So instead of name, we're going to ask for first name and last name, and we're just going to duplicate some of these fields. First name, last name. And instead of address, we're going to ask for address 1, and we're going to put an address 2 option in case there's a unit number or an apartment building. We're going to duplicate that again, and we're going to get the city. And we're going to duplicate it again and get the province. And we're going to duplicate it one more time and get a postal code. Okay. So as you can see with some of the sections or categories, Google allows you to indicate whether it's required or not required. So we're going to make province required. And I'm also going to put in a list of all of the provinces. So the forms also give you a number of options that you can use to gather how you want that information to be displayed. So you've got multiple choice, check boxes. We're going to use a drop box for this one. And I'm going to put in my provinces. And this is a great feature for your clients. It just makes it that much easier and faster for them to provide that information. So we're just going to have a look at that. And there we go. So this is your new form. They're asking, you can ask them for email, their last name, their first name, their address, city, their province. We're going to see how that drop down works. There you go. Easy for them to do. Postal code and a phone number. And that is pretty much all there is to it. That took me less than 2 minutes to do. It'll take even less time for them to fill out, and then that form will come directly to you in your inbox if you indicate that you want responses sent to you. Yeah, and that is all that there is to it. You can select your headers. There are a number of things you can do with it. So if you have manual forms that you would like to convert, or you have information that you'd like to get online because you don't want to do it manual anymore, manual takes you about 3 to 5 times longer than doing it electronically or online. We can help you out with that. We can do any number of forms, complicated forms that ask you for a lot of details. We can certainly help with that. So if you like that, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and if you've got forms that you'd like to convert electronically, please give us a call. Have yourself a great day, and we'll see you next time.